Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something huge, the new iOS 26 developer beta. We'll be checking out how it looks and performs on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you're excited about all the new features, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. iOS 26 is a major update, bringing some serious changes. Apple has introduced a fresh new design language, they're calling it Liquid Glass. And let me tell you, it's not just a name, it's a vibe. The new UI gives your device that clean, glassy feel that's hard to ignore. Looking at the home screen, it's been completely revamped. We're talking new icon designs with more rounded edges and sharper colors. Everything feels fresh, especially with the glass-inspired look applied across the system. But it's not just the home screen, folks. First-party apps like Phone and Settings are getting the same treatment. Now, the Phone app has gone minimal, with 3 new sections and an easy-to-use search feature for contacts. Super clean. And when you open up Settings, you'll notice a world of difference compared to iOS 18, it's almost like a complete refresh. Even the toggle buttons are now sleek and rectangular, matching the modern aesthetic. Something else that stands out? The Library tab makes a return, making it easier than ever to access your latest snaps. But the Camera app? That's where the magic happens. You've got new expanded menus giving you instant access to all those pro-level controls. The Zoom feature? Still the same, but the overall interface is cleaner and more intuitive. And don't even get me started on Safari. The address bar and menus have had a complete makeover, making browsing smoother and sleeker than ever before. One more cool thing, the Preview app from Mac has made its way to the iPhone. Now you can easily view and edit documents, PDFs, and more all in one place. It's a huge time saver for anyone who needs to manage files on the go now. I gotta be real with you guys, while the new iOS 26 developer beta is super exciting, it's still a little glitchy and laggy. If you're thinking about installing it on your daily driver, I'd say hold off for now. It's definitely not ready for prime time. But don't worry. The public beta will be available next month, so if you want to try it out, just wait for that release. So there you have it, a quick look at iOS 26 Developer Beta 1. I'm excited to see how it all shapes up as we get closer to the final release this fall. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates.